Duol manono tije bad migao mar obila IPOA koro osechako timo nonro ewi tho mar achich moro mar maundu manokawo ngimane juma mokalo e yor deruok e tesend obila ma Kisumu Central. Kelvin Oduor mong'ere gi nying mar Olebi kaka Kevo, obila wacho ni nodere kod tol tich abich mokalo e baf mar karo dang'ech mar tesend obila mag Central Kisumu. Jatend IPOA e alwora ma Nyanza Paul Murkomen wacho ni obila mane nitiere tich kane jalo tho osendiko dhogi kod IPOA kaluwore gi nonro madhi nyime. Omedo ni girito lipot mar bero ma bende biro konyo fwenyo gima nonege.
And on the morning of Friday, he was found at the bathroom hanging. So immediately we were able to send a rapid response team to the station. The team was able to process the scene, and before moving the body to Ramogi Odinga referral morgue. The investigations is ongoing, and in due course, we are going to do a post-mortem to assist us in concluding the case, as in to confirm whether it was a case of suicide or there was malice. So, as at now, all statements have been taken from the police, and we are looking forward to more, maybe from the relatives. But apparently, from the information we got is that the deceased did not have any identification documents with him. Neither are the relatives known. So, but we are working on it to search for the relatives of that gentleman.